Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a React app, NPM, and Firebase project with cloud messaging enabled. Next, install Firebase and CLI, then register a web app in Firebase console and copy the Firebase config. Once done, add those keys to your env as React app variable so builds stay secure. Initialize Firebase in a dedicated module and export auth, messaging, and Firestore instances. This sets the foundation so you can request permissions and manage tokens from your components. You should now implement the permission flow within a hook or effect so it runs on user action. First, call notification. Request permission and branch. If granted, call getToken messaging vapid key to receive the FCM token. Make sure to handle errors and token refresh events by listening to on-token refresh or messaging. On-token refresh equivalent. Once you have a token, immediately send it to your server or write it to Firestore linked to the authenticated user. That lets your backend target this client for messages. You finish by wiring up incoming messages. Register a Firebase messaging JS at your public root and implement messaging. On background message to show notifications when the app is backgrounded. In-app, use messaging. On message to update UI or show a custom toast. Make sure your server sends proper FCM JSON with notification and data fields and targets the saved token. If things go wrong, check the vapid key, token validity, notification permission state, and server response. Often a mismatched key or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.